Hi, I'm Bean, and today I just recorded this red velvet bad boy inspired makeup look. These are literally the size of my head. I was having like a little trouble trying to decide who I wanted to recreate, so I just kind of did this like inspired mashup of everything. Seulgi, yeah?
Seulgi.
Ser Sergi Sergi had my favorite makeup, but it's kind of impossible to do with my eyes. So I tried to like get as bold of a wing as possible for me without looking really dumb, and the red underneath because I thought it was super badass. But then it was kind of inspired by Wendy's look. So it's just a mash, and then of course, you know, they all had red lips at one point, and I really love this lip color, and I feel like it just really channels the concept. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy watching me create this look. 다른 건 신경 쓰지 마. 내 목소리에 집중해. 상황은 좀 달라져. 주위를 맴도는 내가 궁금해. 너도 알게 될 거야. 알 거야. 이미 늦어버렸단 걸. 맞아. 사실게 나 자신 있어 나. 지는 게임 하진 않아. 벌써 반쯤은 넘어왔잖아. 홀린 듯날 따라와. 모두 한호에. 너도 아는 척해도 넌 얘기를 해볼까 너무. Okay, so this is the completed look. My what am I trying to say? My red velvet bad boy inspired makeup look. I hope that you guys like it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the song. Which girl's your favorite? I don't know. Whatever you want. And I will talk to you later. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I'm also about to film like a sort of lookbook around a few outfits that I made that are inspired by the music video, so make sure you check that out. Put a card here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.